Hello friends, my name is Shivam and today I'm going to show you top 14 best SMS website to send unlimited anonymous SMS without registration form. So first one is a txtmnnow.com. Simply go to the bottom and fill up this form and click on the continue button. And second one is a this site, okay, sendanonymous.sm.com. Go to the simply this site and fill up this form and click on this button send SMS. If you have simply you can send the SMS on any number. And third one is a sendanonymoustext.com. So simply select the country and receiver phone number, type the receiver phone number and enter the message and click on the send button. And fourth one is a textem.net. Okay, so enter this the contact detail and email address optional, this is optional, and mobile carrier which belongs, and click the message, type the message whatever you want and complete this captcha and click on the send message. Fifth one is a textforfree.net. You can send the SMS anonymously through this site. And sixth one is a textdrop.com. Okay, simply fill up this form and click on the send button. And that is another site which is smsanonymous.hero.com, and type the number and content and click on the send button. And third one is a csms.com. So you can see the fill up form like this and type the number and type the SMS message you whatever you want to send and click on the send button. Okay, this is the full sms.com because I will not open this site because some are issues, maybe some certificate issues. Okay, so go to the next site, smsti.in. So this is another site where you can send the SMS without registration form. Simply enter the number and message and send button. And that is the third one, and that is a all to send free SMS and mobile recharge. This is the app for mobile. You can simply go to the Google Play Store and type this name and download it, or I'll give the link on the description below to download this app. And this is the another site which is armsms.com. Simply enter this field and click on the send SMS button. And this is another site where you can get a lot of function like free SMS messaging, bulk SMS deal, SMS collection, quick SMS, SMS report, group SMS. You can click on whatever you want. Okay, and last one is my SMS India, and this is the best site where you can send the SMS without any late. Okay, so simply fill up this form and click on the submit button. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.